So check it out. Here's another 2026 for 2026. This one I picked up from eBay. It's in really nice shape. It's the earlier version. It's the Prairie 262 version, and it has the whistle tender. The tender has the silver lettering on it, and it just surprised me when I got it. The only thing that's wrong is that it's missing the two little jewels there. I've got some on order that I'll just pop in there and it'll be all set to go. It did need a little bit of TLC to get it to work. I had to spray the E-unit with contact cleaner, and that got things cycling really good. And also the whistle tender, it's funny because you can't always tell by how nice it looks how the wiring is doing inside. It looked okay, and then when I put some power to it, I saw some sparks fly out of it. And of course the two wires that go from the roller pickups up inside, where they were all frayed and they were bare, so I replaced them, and I gave a little lubrication to the whistle, and a whistle on this one really works nice too, so really happy with it. I think I gave, I don't know, $47, $48 for it, because they said it was untested, one of those things, versions, but it's, like I said, I'm really happy with it, and it runs great. So we'll take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. Pick the camera up this time around and check it out. Not the best smoker that I've got, but got the smoke unit working pretty good now. Actually, it's smoking really good right now. And we'll set the camera back down when it comes back around. Alright, it runs really smooth. The smoke unit's working really good now. Really happy with it. I've been looking for this one for a while now, looking for one that I could get a deal on, a fixer-upper, and I was really happy to get one in such nice condition. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.